I loved it.
Wasn't it great?
I loved it. I saw IMAX. I just loved it.
I'll see it again.
I loved it. Loved it. Every last 4 weeks, we are trying to get ready for the Oscars. We saw Skyfall. We saw Life of Pi. We saw what else did we see?
Life of Pi to India upore full lang.
That's what 3D. 3D. 3D খুব ভালো. ওটা কিন্তু হাই দেখো। ভীষণ ভালো।
লিংকন?
না, Life of Pi. Life of Pi.
আমরা ফায়ার ফোটা থেকে
হ্যাঁ?
ফায়ার ফোটা থেকে
Skyfall.
Skyfall খুব ভালো।
This is video, by the way, so I got your open mouth on YouTube. Go ahead.
Guys.
Okay.
For their mother. It's like their sort of
An approval thing.
the approval of their mother.
Yeah.
Sort of, Skyfall. So both Javier Bardem and